How to stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So once you are logged into your Facebook, you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner. So we just have to go to our profile. So click on that and then click on your profile. So from here you want to click on edit profile and then you want to scroll down until you find at the bottom edit your about info. So from here you want to scroll down until you find basic info and then click on edit. So once you got here, you just have to click right here at the birthday, the first option. Right here it says audience is public. So click on that on public and then click on only me. So now just you will see your date of birth, the month, the year, and everything. If you want to change only the year, you just have to click on birth year. So right now is only me. You have to click on that and make it public, or you can set it to only friends or acquaintances or friends except acquaintances. So once you did that, you have to click on the save button, which is in the right top corner. So that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please comment down below your thoughts, and if you have any questions, make sure to type them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.